Hi guys, welcome in a new Slackware video where we are going to install a VNC server on a brand new Slackware Virtual Machine. So let's open up our terminal, let's log in as root. First run slack package update command, then we are going to upgrade all the packages to make sure that we have system up to date. Okay, when we have our system up to date, we need to install two packages. So slack package install flck and Tiger VNC. Okay, right now let's come back to our normal user, so not root, yeah, and set up VNC password. Here we can enter view only password, but we don't want to do it. So after we set up the password, let's come back to root, and we want this VNC server start while booting. So to make it, we need to edit etc rcd rc local file, and on the bottom of the file we need to write su minus our user minus c VNC server and 1. So our server would run on 5901 port. In case of 2, it would run on 5902. Right now, right here on 5903, and so on and so on. So save it. We can reboot our machine. After our server is rebooted, we should be able to connect to our VNC server by VNC client, simply writing an IP address and the port. So let's connect to it. And we are on our VNC server. Of course, you can use any VNC client you want. You can use Tiger VNC, or as me, you can use Remina, which I use to connect my Windows hosts via RDP. So it works the same way. IP address and port. It asks me for password. And I am here on our Slackware Virtual Machine. So that's all. I hope you liked this video. If you want me to record anything from Slackware or Debian or any network case, just simply write it in the comments. Thank you for watching, and to the next video. Bye.